Away! Electrito puesto! Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, that's some good ham right there, man. I just woke up.
Hey man, on se rien fait genre. Ah ouais, attends, check-moi bien. Check-moi bien. Oh god, that smells really good. Oh. What is that? Oh.
What is that? What is that smell?
Oh wait, where the fuck? Hey, where the fuck are we?
How'd you guys get here? The fuck?
What?
the fuck,
Wait, this is not where we slept last night. Wait, what? What the hell?
Where the fuck am I?
The hell?
Where's our ship? What? Oh god.
Oh my. Do you guys need help when you getting back?
I mean, oh shit, I guess we had one or two drinks or 17. What the fuck?
Must have been a wild night for you guys, I assume. Holy
God damn.
Dude, I think
Where?
there's something there. Oh shit, I left something there. I'll clean it up.
Oh, God, that's not
Sorry,
good.
man.
Oh shit. No, it's fine.
Where the fuck are we? What? This is not the tavern. What the hell?
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. You kind of just don't want to take you back to an outpost or something.
Yeah, I guess we should lay off the rum. But so what are you guys up to?
Oh, I know. Have you ever seen the shores of gold?
Oh yes, the shores of gold. Let's show them the shores of gold, lady.
Well, you can't really get there unless you have the tall tale. I know that.
Oh.
Good
Why
thing I
do
have the
we-
shroud breaker with me.
Oh,
Yes, he
that's
does.
nice. Do you have the shower breaker with you? Wow. Well, let's go then. Here, give me. Can I see the shower breaker? You guys have it on you?
Yeah,
I believe-
we have to get it from my home.
Yeah, the
Your
outpost.
home. And the outpost.
My
yeah,
home
that's
is
true.
at
Hold on
Morose
a
Peak,
sec.
to the east of the map.
Morrow's Peak. Okay. Give me 1 sec. Let me stop this ship so I can see where we're going. How many more bottles are you gonna drink?
Only one.
Trust us, we're
Right, we stop.
professionals. We know what we're doing.
I try not to drink out the whole barrel. I'm not
Did
young
you give me a whole
anymore.
barrel of rum?
Yeah, I think we're pussy or something.
Do I need to get like a breath? Oh, there's no breathalyzers here because this is Sea of Thieves. Well, okay. Okay, now you're puking on my ship. Are you kidding me?
Wait, I'll clean it up. It's okay. Oh fuck.
Oh, this is disgusting.
What the fuck? Okay.
It's okay. I puke in the bucket. It's all good. Oh, all good. I got it.
Oh, we have to clean it up again. Can you control yourself?
No. Control is for the weak. See, it's all cleaned up. It's fine.
Thank you. I appreciate you cleaning up our ship. But also, I really can't have you being drunk on my ship. It's kind of weird. We were trying to do a tall tale, so I'm very sorry.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, what you know? Stop it, boys. I'll be a nice boy. I'll be a nice boy. I'll stop being drunk.
No, this is not how it's going to happen.